dog for the week is Sonny. He's a white Dalmatian mix, neutered male, 1 year in age. He'd be great on any mountain adventure, and he'd be good in a home with children, dogs and cats. And he even has his own special goggles to wear when he's out and about so he doesn't get sunburned. Come and meet Sonny today.
This week, we also have a young bunny named Domino. This bunny was a 4-H project that got left outside to fend for himself. This bunny is friendly and litter box trained, the perfect pal for anyone.